Hello, samirsir here, application program site text editor, teaching you how to make two-dimensional array program into C programming language using nested for loop. Hash include stdio.h, standard input output library file with .h extension. Void main compulsory user defined function with left and right curly bracket defining into left and right curly braces. Integer a is a variable and a is array data type, two-dimensional array data type with size 3 and 3 is writing into left and right square bracket, line end with semicolon. Integer I and j as counter variable. First for loop is divided into three parts: initialization, so I is less than 0. Second is condition checking, I is less than 3 semicolon, and incrementation I plus plus. For loop into left and right curly braces. For loop will not have semicolon. For loop is having another for loop. J is equals to 0 initialization semicolon, j is less than 3, j plus plus. First for loop I is going to rotate for 3 times, 0, 1 and 2. For 0, j is going to rotate for 3 times, 0, 1, 2. For first I, again j is going to rotate for 3 times, 0, 1, 2. For second I, again j is going to rotate for 0, 1, 2. So 3 into 3, total 9 times. The j for loop is having first printf, enter value, semicolon, scanf, left and right curly bracket, double quotation, %d, comma, and person, scanning, variable a, 2 square bracket, for two-dimensional array, I and j. I hope you are able to understand. For I0, j is 0, 1, 2. For I1, j is 0, 1, 2. For I2, j is 0, 1, 2. So this nested for loop is going to rotate for 3 into 3 9 times, and it is scanning. So I am able to do input total 9 from the keyboard. My this for loop is over. I am arranging it. I am copying this for loop and I am pasting it, because first nested for loop is for the data entry and the second nested for loop is for the output. The same for loop is copied and pasted, but I have to do necessary changes. This necessary changes is the printf enter value. Instead of that, I will be going to write entered value is equals to. So here I am doing necessary changes. Let me save the file. I am going to do that changes just now only. And second scanf, I do not have to do it. I have to write printf because I want to display the value of two-dimensional array which is already entered by me. So first printf into the second nested for loop, entered value by you is equals to, and second printf %d, I have to take out and %a, I have already taken out aij, so it is going to print on the screen. I'm saving it. My program is over. File save as, file name with .c extension, 2d.c on desktop. Let me compile it. Tools, compile, exit 0 is the indication program is correct. Let me go to terminal, Ctrl-Alt-T, cd space desktop, because I saved file on desktop, ls space -l to see the files in folder. There it is, 2d.c, so gcc space 2d.c. I'm going to next line, means there is no syntax and grammatical error. /a.out for output. Enter value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Entered value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can still do some necessary changes into my output. So I'm going back and I'm doing necessary changes, putting /n in the beginning. Again output, saved and compile an output command. Enter value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Value entered is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope you have understood it. Have a nice time. All the best. Try to make this program. It is really very excellent. INJS counter variable nested for loop